In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in Google Workspace account. Start by opening your preferred browser and go to the official Google Workspace login page by typing in workspace.google.com or accounts.google.com. If you've been provided a direct link by your organization, you can use that as well. Once you reach the login interface, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After typing in your Google Workspace email, click Next, and you'll be prompted for your password. Enter it carefully. If your organization uses two-step verification, 2-CVERT, or multi-factor authentication, MFA, you'll be guided through that step next. This might include typing in a verification code sent to your phone, using an authenticator app, or approving a prompt from your mobile device. Make sure you complete this step if it's required. Once authenticated, you'll land on your account dashboard or straight into your Google Workspace apps like Gmail or Drive, depending on where you started. If you're on a personal device and want to stay signed in, you can select the Stay Signed In checkbox during login, but always avoid this on public or shared computers. If this is your first time signing in, you might be required to accept account terms, change your temporary password, or set recovery options like a phone number and backup email. Complete those steps to secure your account. If you forget your password or can't log in, you can click the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Follow the prompts or reach out to your organization's admin for assistance. They can reset your credentials if needed. And that's it, you're in. Yeah! Thank you for watching this video.